Welcome! If you've ever been tagged in tons of photos on Instagram and want to quickly find the most recent ones, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to sort your tagged photos from newest to oldest on Instagram using the latest app update. This step-by-step guide will help you stay organized and save time, so let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon in the top right corner. It's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. Tap on that to open up more options. From the menu, select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you do, including posts you're tagged in. Once you're in Your Activity, scroll down and tap on Tagged. Here, you'll see all the photos and videos where you've been tagged by friends, family, or even brands. To make things easier, Instagram now lets you sort these tagged posts. Look for the Sort and Filter option, usually at the top or near the corner of the tagged section. Tap on it, and a few sorting choices will pop up. Choose the Sort By, Newest to Oldest option. Instantly, your tagged photos will rearrange, showing the most recent tags first. This is perfect if you want to see your latest moments, check out new memories, or just keep up with what's happening right now. That's it! You've just learned how to sort your tagged photos on Instagram from newest to oldest. This simple trick makes it so much easier to find your latest tagged pictures without endless scrolling. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.